Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. I'm going to try this year some grow bags. I got some 25-gallon ones, a 5-pack on Amazon for like $26, and it makes a giant, once you figure out how to get them popped open, because they really fold them up nicely, it makes a giant bag. I got some 7-gallon, 10-gallon, and then these 25-gallon. The problem you get though is that, of course, they're very floppy. So what I'm going to do, and I think is going to work really well, at the box stores you'll see this, I think they call it rabbit fencing. I'm going to cut a loop of this stuff to fit inside to provide some support to hold the bag open. I think it's going to work very nicely, and of course it'll last for years and years. Now you take the diameter of the bag, that's the length all the way across, multiply it times 3.14. For this size bag it means I need 6 feet and roughly 2 inches. So what you have to do, since this comes rolled up, you got to unroll it, stretch it out, so you can measure 6 feet 2 inches. Alright, now I'm going to lay this face down so it'll stay open. Amazing, a bag that size, that the circumference would be 6 feet. Man, that's just huge. So we're going to measure, see how we do. Got my measure with me. There's 5 feet and 6 feet and 2 inches. So I'll make a little snip here. And I gotta cut it. There's probably better cutters, but this is what I've got. Now, I don't want to have any sharp. I think I can do 2 of these. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the other one will just be 3. So I'm going to cut them out right here. Cut that one out. And so there's no sharp edges. Cut the other one out. So I'm going to cut all these and I'll be back when I get done. Alright, here's my wire loop, cut out to 6 feet, trimmed all the nasties off the edges, and here's my 25-gallon grow bag. Yeah, I'm going to curl it up a little bit, put it inside, then open it up. Now, when you get the dirt in to hold it, there's my shape. It's going to be gorgeous. Just going to be absolutely perfect. Let me show you what one of the smaller ones looks like. So that's the 25-gallon. Here's a wire I cut yesterday for a 7-gallon. It needs to be just a little bit over 3 feet to go all the way around. Here's a 7-gallon bag. And the bags are all the same height. So that one was with 4. This one has the 3 heights. We're going to put this inside, let it open up. And this is a good sturdy bag now. It's going to really make that grow bag work correctly and be really good for the plants that are going in it. And when you get the dirt, you can make it completely round perfectly, and it'll stay that way, so you won't get any root damage. So this is my idea of what to do with the grow bags. I think it's going to work really well. I can move them around, and if we have a ton of rain like we did last year, these will drain better. And frankly, the price on them is really good. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And hit the little bell so you'll know when I put the next one up. Thank you for watching.